So good afternoon, sir. We are the group tracer. So our topic, our report, sir, is all about phases of inequality, a collage on Philippine strata, social strata. So first, sir, I will discuss the upper class. So upper class, sir, is the people shown here. Here are politician, business owner, and wealthy individuals. So second, sir, is the this class has the most power, influence, and wealth in society. So they often hold high rankings, government position, or own large companies. So for example, for this year is like senator, CEOs, elite families, and government leaders. And second is the middle class. So middle class is this section shows professional such as teachers, engineers, and nurses and office workers. So the middle class the middle class consists of people who earn stable incomes and live comfortably but not luxuriously. And for example, for this, sir, is like teachers, doctors, OFWs, and small business owners and skilled workers. And the lesser is the lower class. So lower class is this section depicts farmers, laborers, street children, and construction workers. The lower class represents those who struggled with poverty and have limited access to education, healthcare, and job opportunities. So, for example, for this is farmers, fishermen, factory workers, street vendors, and informal settlers. So, this is our topic for today, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.